I guess it's three sides to a story. It's yours, and then mine, and the one we won't see for sure. And that's the truth. Never tell a lie.
What's good? What's happening with it, baby? So KJ riding to the crib late night, you know what I'm saying, on some chill. I got an idea, man, so it'll probably come to y'all not tomorrow morning, but the next morning. But I told you I was gonna start exploring some other things, you feel me? Like, cause it's more than me than just this car. One of the things I do wanna, like, you know what I'm saying, get y'all to scoop on is the shoe game that I got. Trust me, bro, it's official, bro. My shoe game official. Like, I probably need to do like a thorough cleaning, and y'all could probably sit through a process of me cleaning them Jones, but yeah, I'm definitely gonna show y'all like what that's looking like. I got ones. These are Jordans, by the way. I'm like a major on J's. Like, J's is what you catch me in 24/7. You know what I'm saying? And then like that one like 0.3 out of this 24/7, you can catch me in a pair of Chucks. And if it ain't a pair of Chucks, it's a pair of Forces. Every nigga got some Forces. I don't care how your Forces look. Even my Forces kind of beat. I just been lazy, so I ain't really bought no more. But yeah, that kind of like covers like my little shoe collection. So it can and will be a lengthy video. I'm not gonna hold y'all because of the amount of shoes that I got. I'm gonna put them out, and then like if anybody like got any like, you know what I'm saying, ones in specific they want me to like go over anything like that, I don't really mind. I don't really care too much. But it's just to bring something different, man. Like, I'm trying to touch on some different avenues, bro. I've been saying that, and I keep like bouncing back to the whip or whatever. And like I said, so much more that I want for this channel, so much more for me. So that will be coming. It's been a long day, bro. It's typical 9 to 5. Went around, did a little running around, looking for a few things that I want to purchase. I ain't having too much luck, I'll be honest. Now I'm just riding home to catch some Z's for the day tomorrow. So that's it for this. And you know me, I don't really be trying to stretch nothing out. There's no point for real. So we gonna ride out.